Hi guys, it's Lily and this video is about the Bitmoji. Also, a lot of people have been asking, how do I make a Bitmoji? How do I make one of those little characters that look like me? So I'm going to show you a little tiny tutorial. It's an app that you download on your phone. It is free. It is called BITMOJI. I'll put the spelling here. And all you have to do is download it. It's free. And you can just custom make your own little character to look like you. And once you create it, you will have all these different little scenarios, little different memes with you in it, with your Bitmoji in it. You can also use it in your phone with your messages. It is a really cool app and I love it. And here you go. So these are my Bitmojis. This is from my phone. You can see how they're all like different scenarios. The first thing you want to do is you want to create your Bitmoji. So you choose your hairstyle. You can choose curly, straight, long, short, whatever hairstyle. A mohawk if you want. I have short curly hair as you've seen. So that's what I chose for me. My eye color. You can choose whatever eye color you prefer, or whatever you have. The eyebrows, you can arch your eyebrows, you can make them straight. You can choose the eyebrow color. It's so cool because there's a lot of options so that you can make it really look like yourself. Your nose, you wanted a tiny little nose, a slim nose, a wide nose, whatever you want. Glasses, I wear glasses, so you can put sunglasses on. You can change the style of the glasses. The cool thing is if you change your look, you can actually change your Bitmoji's look later on. Sometimes I don't wear my glasses. Sometimes I wear contacts, so I can remove the glasses. You can change the shape of your face. You can make it round, wide, or oval, the shape of your mouth. And let's add some eyeshadow for the ladies. You want some makeup? You can add eyeshadow. You can't really see it so much, the eyeshadow, because of my glasses, but I put it on anyway. Some blush. You got to make your Bitmoji look cute. Don't forget that lipstick. See, different colors. I like the darker one. I think it goes with my hair. Do you want to wear a hat? The different kinds of cap. Whatever you want. A headband. So now you're going to choose your body type. Are you super slim, in between, on the heavier side? You can choose your chest size for the ladies. And the clothing is so cool. They have so many options for the clothing. Sorry. I choose to wear like the light jeans with the orange shirt because it's just simple, and if I want to put a logo on my shirt, I can do that. That's a whole different video, guys. And look how cute I look. Ta-da! And there you have it, guys. There's the little tiny tutorial on how to create your Bitmoji. You have so many different features, and it's so cool because you can dress it up, and you know, for holidays, for sports, just for anything. You even have a pregnant Bitmoji. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave it down below. I'll leave the link for the Bitmoji app in here. Yeah, in here, down below. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe this video. And if you have any other suggestions, just let me know. Leave it in the comments. Bye-bye.